Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin itong napakagandang balita tungkol sa ating Tatay Digong sa The Hague, Netherlands. Ito, may post, FPRRT supporters. Title, Tatay Digong is everywhere. Kahit sa ang sulok daw sa The Hague, Netherlands, nandun si Tatay Digong. So, paano nangyari yun? Nasa kulungan. Ibig sabihin, nakalabas na siya? Hindi. Nandun pa rin sa loob ng detention facility si Tatay Digong. Kailan? Dahil sa pagmamahal sa kanya ng mga kapwa nating Pilipino doon, he is everywhere. Yung tinatawag nila nga standee. Okay. Basahin ko lang muna. The Hague, Netherlands. You will spot him in the parks, at the train stations, in the forest trails, by the beach, even around the ICC building in Scheveningen. Ito yung lugar mismo ng detention facility, ang tawag, Scheveningen. I'm sorry, hindi ko ma-pronounce ng correct. PRRD is everywhere here in The Hague. But more than anything, he lives in the hearts of Filipinos across the globe. Those who know the truth about the kind of leader he was and still is. Maybe it's something beyond what we can fully grasp or explain. But perhaps God really does have his own way of showing the world what kind of man Rodrigo Roa Duterte truly is. He is loved deeply and unconditionally by the people he served. And because of that, he has become more than just a man. He has become a symbol, a cry for justice, freedom, and real accountability in governance. Maybe that truth was just too big to be confined within the Philippine archipelago. Maybe the world needs to see it too. And now, a different side of the story. The one the global narrative often miss is beginning to unfold. For the Filipinos who proudly carry his standee. Yan, standee yung parang, anong tawag nun? Ipakita ko mamaya. Parang siya mismo, kailang papel lang. Cartoon standee. For the Filipinos who proudly carry his standee around The Hague, FPRRD was the best president the country ever had. Their gratitude is not temporary. It's something they'll carry with them for the rest of their lives. Someday, it will carry him back home to his beloved motherland. This kind of devotion is a wake-up call, a slap in the face to the traditional politicians back home who believe that love and loyalty could only be bought with money. Hello, ayuda. Tatay Digong set the bar so high, and the Filipino people aren't settling for less anymore. Okay, so ito na, yung mga standee na pinakita. Sandali kay i-highlight ko. Saan na ba yung aking picture? Ayan o. Yan na po ang standee ni Tatay Digong. Kahit saan. Sa mga park, sa Duterte Park, Duterte Beach, Forest, sa mga train station, nandyan. Yung life-size na picture niya, but cartoon lang o ano. Everywhere siya sa The Hague, Netherlands. Grabe. Magbasa lang tayo sa mga comments. Yulita Carcido. Yes, he is really the best president ever in the Philippines. Monica says, best president ever. Majority of the Filipinos believe and love you, Tatay Digong. We miss you, Tatay Digong. Erlinda Madelo, I totally agree. Longer life for PRRD, I pray. Sino pa itong isa? No job, ihinib. We miss you, Tatay Digong. Bring him home, the best president we ever had. Okay, ito iulitin ko lang na ipalabas sa inyo. Isang mga 4-year-old boy. Duterte is my friend and the best president in the whole world. Grabe ang bata nito. Okay.
Question. Do you know Duterte?
Duterte is your best friend, best friend, best president in the world.
In the world?
Yeah. Duterte! 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 Duterte!
I have a question. Do you know Duterte?
Duterte is your best friend,
Best friend.
best friend, best president in the world.
In the
Best
world?
president in the world.
Duterte!
Woo! Sige ba?
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
I have a
Basta tayo sa mga comments din dito. My baby loves you, Dada. You love you. Langga. Love Duterte. Murag amo, love. Yeah, no one can deny. Di ba may kantang ganon? For he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow. Nobody can deny the best president we ever had, PRRD. Okay? Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagtangkilik sa ating channel.